Good evening, meteorologist Dean Davis and Storm Surge LLC, severe weather specialist, liveweatherblogs.com. Storm Surge LLC, we're going to take a look now at July 2nd, and we're at 6:20 p.m. East Coast tropical trouble. We're taking a look at our latest 5 p.m. National Hurricane Center. Still tropical storm, but on the verge of becoming a hurricane. Winds are at 70, north movement at 7 miles an hour, and plotting along 29.7 north, 79.1 west. And we take a look at the track. You can see it's showing it going over the Outer Banks as a likelihood. With hurricane warnings now from far south North Carolina all the way up through parts of Virginia, and then tropical storm warning a little further north. We take a look at the satellite image. This storm is really getting together, and central that's overcast. It has an eye now. This is a little bit of an older image to the latest image that came in visibly, just so you show you visibly that has great outflow. And this thing got an eye now, so it's going to be pretty interesting. You can see computer models are pretty consensus. Right on, the Outer Banks are just off of it, so Outer Banks are going to be in for a very windy, rainy, and possibly some damage out there. When we look, timing looks to be Thursday evening through Friday at midday, maybe a little later. Take a look at storm surge. You can see the 5 to 7 foot file in parts of the sounds there in North Carolina. Mainly a 3 to 5 foot storm surge. You can see there is some storm surge that builds up to 3 feet in first Long Island, the part of Long Island, part of the Cape, but also up to Virginia and the coastal Maryland and even Delaware. So my thing is for you is going to have major rip currents. Wouldn't suggest going in the water, even though it'll be beautiful after this passes by. And for the rest of the weekend, the rip currents will have issues. Meteorologist Dean Davis and Storm Surge LLC. Have new updates tomorrow morning. Meteorologist Dean Davis.